What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the Filler to Fill Premier Case number 1. We're going to go live. We're live at 3:39. It's 3:39 here in Denver. I'm going to get us a fresh list. We got Mr. Callow on top and on bottom. Oh, we got our list already up. Callow on top and bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Top 4 is going to win. I'm just going to open numbers real quick. I'm unprepared like usual. All right. Take these. So when we line them up, we're all set. All right. 3 times, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, and third and final time. 3. Dylan, Marty, Grant, Dylan. All 3 of you guys won something. That's good. I'll do the last timestamp, actually. That is in at 3:40. 3:40. I will line you guys up for your teams. Pretty simple here. Dylan, you got the Islanders. Marty, Ottawa. Grant, Florida. And Dylan, Minnesota.